May jobs came in strong, or did they? Hey, it's Eric Osnes here with CMG Financial and ericismybanker.com with my weekly update on mortgage rates and the economy for the week ending June 2nd, 2023. Well, the BLS, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, jobs report came out for May, and the headline showed stronger than expected growth, with jobs up 339,000 against estimates of 190,000. But was job growth in May really that strong? There's two surveys that are part of the BLS report each month. There's the establishment survey, that gives us that headline jobs number. And then there's the household survey, which gives us the unemployment numbers, but it also has a jobs component. The establishment survey uses lots of statistical formulas to derive its numbers, including births and deaths of businesses. The establishment survey has been notoriously unreliable, especially recently. Frequently, it's revised, weeks after its initial print. The household survey makes phone calls to 60,000 people and seems to be a lot more reliable. Although its sample size is small, it's been a much better indicator of what's really going on in the economy. And what a difference. According to the household survey, jobs were down 310,000 jobs. How do you reconcile that? It also showed that the unemployment rate increased to 3.7% from 3.4% in April. A higher unemployment rate is a very strong recession indicator. When the unemployment rate starts to rise, especially from its lowest level, we're either already in a recession or just about ready to enter one. And although that's never great news for everyone, recessions are definitely good for interest rates because they drop as the economy slows. For the week, we had a great week. The debt ceiling resolution also helped us significantly for interest rates this week. We got what I would call a relief rally, which pushed rates lower. Here are the national averages. Conventional 30-year fixed rate, 6.85%. That's down 0.27 from a week ago. 15-year fixed rate, 6.23%. Those are down 0.19 from a week ago. FHA and VA 30-year fixed rate, 6.5%, down 0.25% from a week ago. And 30-year fixed rate jumbo rates, 6.63%, down about 0.12% from a week ago. Moving on is an ADU, right for you. An ADU is an accessory dwelling unit. My home has an accessory dwelling unit, and I love it. There it is right there. My tenant has been great. Have had no trouble with him at all. He makes a good portion of my mortgage payment. Don't tell him I said that. And it's just been a great scenario for me. ADUs can reduce that cost of home ownership. They can also offer lots of other housing solutions. We see them used for elderly parents or caregivers, extended family, home offices, children. The options are pretty much limitless. An ADU can be attached, like a basement converted to an apartment, or detached, like what I've got here. To qualify as an ADU, there must be a separate entrance that's independent from the primary dwelling, and at least a kitchen, a bathroom, and of course a place to sleep. Washington State recently amended its housing rules and now requires local municipalities to allow up to 2 ADUs per residential lot. But be careful about that. Conventional lending guidelines currently only allow 1 ADU per residential lot. So be sure to check with me before you start your ADU project. And an ADU can be financed in multiple ways. One way is we quite often will use a home equity line of credit. You pull equity from your home based on its current value to build an ADU. You can always refinance your existing mortgage and pull cash out to build an ADU. We also have a renovation loan program, which combines your existing mortgage plus funds for renovation. It doesn't have to just be for an ADU. You can use a renovation loan for pretty much anything. And on a renovation loan, we base our calculations on the future value of the home after the renovations have been made. So you get the benefit of the equity that adding that ADU will add to your property. Renovation loans are limited to the county loan limits. King, Pierce, Snohomish counties, that's $977,500. So as long as your project loan amount falls below that amount, we're good to go with that one. If you need even more than that, we also have what's called a construction permanent loan, and that is also combines your existing mortgage with funds for your renovations. And again, anything doesn't have to just be the ADU. And we have loan amounts up to $3 million available for that program. I've been involved with lots of ADU projects recently and also over the years. In fact, I just got permits to start a new ADU project on another property very soon, well, as soon as my contractor is available. So I'm available to answer questions. Just reach out if I can help. You can call me, 206-915-3742. That's 206-915-ERIC, easy to remember. You can email me, eric@ericismybanker.com, or look for me on social media. Just look for Eric is my banker. That's all I've got for this week. I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy the weather. Be sure to reach out if I can answer any of your mortgage-related questions. Talk to you soon.